I saw one abandoned cart in my garden. That was a custom order metal cart that was made for my son long back, and now I thought, like, why not we use this for something good, because it was just eating dust and rusting on the ground. So I thought, like, let's make something out of it. Maybe something like this or something like this. Let's put it to our work. I mean, like, let's take it to our workshop. So this is good. This is stainless steel, but then this is a metal. You see the rusting here? Rust. And for this setup, and remember one thing carefully, if you want to get the things right, if you want to get something out of it, you need to have the right tool, and along with the right tool you need the right components as well. So I got this metal wire brush for my angle grinder that I already had bought long time back. You need to have this grinding machine with this rust remover. This is actually a wire drill set, and this will actually clear everything. Let me just try and then show it to you first. With my you can see in my previous projects, and you have to use a wire brush to remove all the rust. This I figured out using just YouTube. So now I'll show you how you use the wire drill kit to remove all your rust. See the video now.
Done?
As good as new. So let me just completely finish it and show you. So once you're done with the grinding with this wire cup drill kit, then most of the rust will go. And next tool would be the primer, the paint, the kind of paint that you'll have to do it. And to apply the paint, you need the brush, you need the air gun, which I bought long back. If you want link, I'll put it in the description below. You can buy from wherever I bought. And right now we are going to be applying the red oxide onto both our projects. So another project is a planter made out of washing machine cut drum. There is a drum inside the washing machine that tumbles when it rotates, that tumbles all the clothes inside. That is what I used. We had an old washing machine with us, and that washing machine had completely become useless, and then we thought I'll use that drum inside the washing machine as a planter. It is rusted in this condition because we have been using this as a fire pit for almost around 4 years. Now we got 3 legs for our planter, and that is the washing machine cut drum inside. And for that I need 3 legs, and these are the legs. And these are the 3 legs that I'm cutting equal holes, and you will see the result after this. Red oxide so that it doesn't rust. Cover your entire thing with red oxide. This is the brush I was talking about. It's very, very convenient and very easy to use. So this is the airbrush. Airbrush, it needs electricity and it needs the paint to be put on the box. Very, very easy to do it. You guys also can do it. I have been using this from last 4 years, maybe 5 years, and it's great. Now the metal drum is done to be used as a planter. The painting is done, the airbrush painting is done, and now we need to find the legs for it. So I already had metal pieces. I cut in 3 pieces, made the holes and put it, and I'll just show you how to fix in that drum, and I'll show you finally how it looks. Just to give a premium look, I thought let's not make it black, let's make it gold. Gold and black looks premium, super premium. And now I'll be coloring this stand for this in gold and see the output how it comes. Now I have drilling tool. Drilling tool is used to drill the holes in the legs that you saw previously and in this metal drum. Once you drill it, put the screws in, nut and bolt, and then tighten it. And that is all you have to do, and this is the final result. Hope you liked it. from trash to treasure. That is how you should figure out doing things. If you like this project, let me know and I can help you how to make something out of your waste trash that is there at home. Comments down below, or you can actually communicate with me, DM me. I have my Instagram channel as well. I'll link it down below. And if you like this channel, do like, share and subscribe. I've been running really bad in getting number of subscribers, but I don't mind getting quality number of subscribers. See you in the next video. Bye.